Selena Gomez, 30, showed off the stunning beachfront Malibu home she used to film the new season of Selena Chef in a YouTube video recently shared by HBO Max. For the fourth season of the show, which sees Selena cooking some amazing recipes and getting expert advice from famous chefs around the world, Selena went to Malibu and now, she's giving us an inside look at her luxurious home away from home. As you can see in the video above, the home features a gorgeous ocean view and bright lighting, which Selena mentioned is great for her TikTok videos. She also showed off the living room with large windows that let the ocean view pour in. And to add to that luxury, the living room features 4 cute sofas that Selena called the talking circle for her and her loved ones. Later, during the tour, Selena revealed a funny okie dokie jar, something she was forced to drop $1 in every time she used the catchphrase, and as a quick few seconds in the video showed, she uses it very often. Selena's quirky personality also came out strong during the house tour, when she joked, "We haven't burned anything down, so that's good." Selena kept her look for the tour of her beach house casual in a loose-fitting light blue dress, and natural-looking makeup, with her hair styled in a cute bob. She also took the beach casual look one step further by walking around barefoot in the home. The Come and Get It singer then took viewers out onto the deck of the beach house and revealed the immaculate view. Articles trending now. Trending now. Gwyneth Paltrow strips down to nude leotard for outdoor shower after morning workout, watch. Eminem's daughter Hailey rocks white corset bodysuit in new photos. Why Jennifer Garner won't attend Ben Affleck and J-Lo's Georgia wedding despite being invited. "This is a given," Selena said. "I couldn't be more lucky or happy that we ended up shooting season 4 somewhere else. Going to Malibu was such a beautiful way of changing up the show, but also spending time with my family." The adorable Malibu home has fire pits, a beachfront deck, and surfboards, so we can imagine anyone would be thrilled to stay there. In fact, some viewers might already recognize the home from another show. A rep from HBO told People that the home is in fact the same home used in the Disney Channel show, Hannah Montana, starring Miley Cyrus. Season 4 of Selena Chef is now streaming on HBO Max, and it features many famous chefs from Gordon Ramsay, Rachel Ray, and more.